Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. Students, are you ready to practice some important questions for your periodic test 1 and post summer exam to ensure you are fully prepared? So let us start the session. First question number 1. Every rational number is dash is a natural number. Option B, an integer, a real number and a whole number. We know that a real number is of two types, that is rational number and the irrational number. So every rational number is a real number. Option number C is the correct answer. Then what is natural number? Now we know that natural number is denoted by n and all the counting number, that is 1, 2, 3 dot dot are the natural number. But in an integer is denoted by z and all the positive, negative with 0 are called integer, that is 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, etc. So what is whole number? Now whole number is the 0 with natural number is called whole number, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Yes or no? So what is rational number? Now rational number is denoted by Q. And rational number is the P by Q form, that is 1 by 2, 5 by 7, then 2 because 2 divided by 1 also is a rational number and also 0. So these are the rational number. The question is every rational number means 1 by 2 is a natural number? No, because in natural number only 1, 2, 3. Then 1 by 2 an integer? No, because in integer the positive and negative also 0, not P by Q. Okay, and the whole number is same, 0, 1, 2, 3. That's why every rational number is a real number. Understand? Now, next question number 2. Which of the following is an irrational number? Okay, we know that irrational number means the first one is rational number because first one we can convert it into P by Q. Yes or no? And the second one is also a rational number. It is a rational number with repeating. So option number B is a rational number and option number C also a rational number. But option number D is a irrational number. Okay, because the decimal is not repeating. Okay, that's why it is a irrational number. Next question number 3. 23.43 bar when expressed in the P by Q form is dash. Okay, so we know that when we converted a number, that is decimal number, suppose 2.3 bar, how to convert it in short form? Now first we check the number is 0 point something, means we can use the shortcut. Which of the following decimal? Na 0.3 bar means left side must be 0. Okay, but here is 2.3. Similarly, here is 23.43 bar. So we can convert it into 23 plus 43 bar, 0.43 bar. Yes or no? So that's why 23 plus, now converted. So 43 bar means we can write 43 divided by 99. Now take LCM, the LCM is 99. So option number A is the correct answer because in option number 1 the LCM is 99 or denominator is 99. Other is different. That's why option number A is the correct answer. Okay, understand? Now next question number 4. The value of 81 to the power minus 2 then root 4. So answer how to solve. Now we know that 81 we can write 9 square, yes or no, into minus 2 whole to the power 4 or 1 by 4. So 9 to the power minus 4 into 1 by 4. Because when you convert a radical form into exponential form means suppose this is 5, then this is 3, and so how to convert it into exponential form? Now first we write 5, then here is nothing means 1. So numerator is 1 divided by this is the denominator, that is 3. So 5 to the power 1 by 3. Similarly, here is 9 to the power minus 4 to the power 1 by 4. So 4 cancel, that is 9 to the power minus 1. So 9 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 9. So correct answer is 1 by 9. Right? Next question, question number 5. The value of root 32 plus root 48. This is very important questions. How to solve? Now 32 we can write 8 into 4. Any doubt? Similarly, 48 we can write 12 into 4. Because in denominator there is root 12. That's why we divided into 2 part, that is 12 into 4. Understand? Now divided by root 8 plus root 12. Here first we can solve that root 8 into root 4, yes or no, plus root 12 into root 4. Okay. Now divided by root 8 plus root 12. Again take common, that's root 4, that is 2. So first 2 common. Now the remaining is root 8 plus root 12 divided by root 8 plus root 12. So root 8 root 12 cancel, the answer is 2. So option number 2 is the correct answer. Understand? Now next question, question number 6. Root 2 is a polynomial of degree dash. We know that the constant polynomial degree is 0 and the 0 polynomial degree is not defined. Okay, so how is 0? Now because we know that root 2 we can write root 2 into x to the power 0, because x to the power 0 is 1. So we know that degree means the highest power of the variable. So here variable is x and the highest power is 0. That's why the constant polynomial degree is 0. Understand? Now next question, question number 7. P of x is equal to x square minus 2 root 2x plus 1. Then find the 2 root 2. Okay. Put the questions in place of x, we put 2 root 2. So P of 2 root 2 is equal to 2 root 2 square minus 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. Okay. Then plus 1. So solve 2 square, that is 4, into root 2 square, that is 2, minus 2 2 is 4 into 2 plus 1. So 4 into 2, 4 into 2 cancel, because plus minus, that is 8 minus 8, that is 0. So 1, so answer is 1. So option number B is the correct answer. Right? Next question, question number 8. If x equal to 1 plus root 7, then find 6 by minus x. Okay. How to solve? Now x is equal to 1 plus root 7. Okay. So we find minus 6 by x, that is minus 6 divided by 1 plus root 7. So how to solve? Now rationalize the denominator. How to rationalize? Now we multiply minus 6 into divided by 1 plus root 7. So 1 plus root 7 multiply with 1 minus root 7, because we use the formula, that is a plus b whole into a minus b. So again multiply 1 minus root 7. Okay. Now is equal to minus 6, 1 minus root 7 is equal to, then multiply. So put the formula, that is a square, that is 1 square, that is 1, minus root 7 square, that is 7. Okay. So 1 minus 7, that is 6. So 6 cancel. So answer is, sorry, minus 6 cancel. The answer is 1 minus root 7. So option number B is the correct answer. Understand? Now next question, question number 9. The sum of any two irrational number is always an irrational number. Okay. So option number A is the correct answer. But the product of two irrational number may be is irrational number or rational number. Next question, assertion and reasoning questions. Question number 10, that is, there are infinite many rational number between any two integer. We already know, yes, this is true. And the square of an irrational number is always a rational number. No. Okay, maybe. So option number, the square of irrational number, suppose root 2 is a irrational number, root 2 into root 2, that is 2. Suppose এটা true হবো, square আছে irrational number, so then root 3 into root 3, that is 3. Similarly, root 7 is a irrational number into root 7, that is 7. So it is a rational number, so answer is true. So A and B are true, but R is the not correct explanation, because this is rational number between two integer, that is infinite, it is the square, so they are the two different. That's why both assertion and reasoning are true, but the reason is not correct explanation of the assertion A. Okay, so now comment these questions. Root 8 plus root 20 divided by root 2 plus root 5 equal to dash. Then question number 2, that is 0.03 bar. Actually there are the three type of questions are there. By using short trick, you solve these questions and comment your answer. Otherwise you can comment in WhatsApp or Telegram group. Also you can download PDF from this group. So thank you. यदि पसंद लगे देन वीडियो को लाइक एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब रखिबो, जब भी मैं अपलोड करिबी फर्स्ट तुमको नोटिफिकेशन शो करिबो।